Welcome to the Craftin with Nikki blog. Today we will be making a custom bejeweled phone case. So if you're anything like me, you'd like to leave a little shimmer wherever you go. And who doesn't love a little extra sparkle? So let's get started on bejeweling your phone case. But let's talk about supplies. We'll definitely need a durable phone case and lots of gems. But for this particular case, I did something extra special and made my own pop socket phone grip. Look at this. Please see the description below where I've provided links to where you can find your own gem. But isn't it so cool? But now let's talk about diamond picker-uppers. This is very important. This is by far my favorite that I have found. It's made by the Silhouette brand and it's called the Pick Me Up. You can find this at any Michael's or Joann's or even on Amazon. Okay, so let's get started. It's always good to have a plan and to know which gems you kind of want to put where, but it's gonna change as you start to glue them down. Just a heads up. This is my first rodeo with this kind of phone case, but I've bejeweled so many things over the years, especially bows, as you all know. But look how this is starting to turn out. So as I'm gluing these down, I am thinking about the next part that I'm gonna do as I'm gluing, but it's so relaxing. I really need to do more of these. We all know this song, but I often start singing a little parody to myself, and it goes, "Look what you made me glue, look what you made me glue." If you can't have fun singing to yourself, then why are we even crafting? So from here, I started working in a different corner, and then another corner, and it will slowly start to come together as you fill in all the open spots with random sized gems and cute little designs. For this one, I have these little hearts and tiny butterflies because I love the Lover album. It's one of my favorites, so this definitely was a huge inspiration for me in this design. So if you have been paying attention as I've been picking up these gems with the diamond stick, you'll notice that I haven't been having to stick it into any extra clay glue, which is how the other diamond sticks work. It's because this pick-me-up has it built into the tip of the pen, and to release more, you just have to twist the tip a little bit. It works great. I really wish I would have discovered this a long time ago because it does make life so much easier. Especially if you're into diamond art and all other kinds of projects like me, you definitely need to get one. They are fairly cheap and less expensive than the other ones. Here we go. Here's another heart. I did it. I told you I have lots of hearts and little embellishments that I wanted to add. It's just so cute. I just love everything shimmery and glittery. I can't help it. Okay, I think we're almost done. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, great job. I can't wait to see what you all come up with. And please share your designs with me. You can tag me on Facebook and Instagram at Craftin Nikki. Stay tuned for more fabulous tutorials. Thank you for watching the Craftin with Nikki blog. Have a crafty day!